सोमबारे इफिसियस चर्चबाट अन्त म जेनेसिस 9 को 1 देखि 17 सम्म पढ्न आँटेको छु। Then God blessed Noah and his sons, saying to them, Be fruitful and increase in number, and fill the earth. The fear and greed of you will fall upon all the beasts of the earth and all the birds of the air, upon every creature that moves along the ground, and upon all the fish of the sea. They are given into your hands, everything you just as I gave you. The green plants I know give you everything, but you must not eat meat that has its lifeblood still in it, and for your lifeblood I will surely depend, and as counting I will demand, and accounting from every animal and from each man too I will depend, and accounting for the life of this fellow man. Whoever sheds the blood of man, by man shall his blood be shed. For in the image of God has God made man. As for you, be fruitful and increase in number, multiply on the earth and increase upon it. Then God said to Noah and to his sons with him, I now establish my covenant with you and with your descendants after you, and with every living creature that was with you, the birds, the livestock, and all the wild animals, all those that came out of the ark with you, every living creature on earth. Establish my government with you. Never again will all life to be cut off by the waters of a flood. Never again will there be a flood to destroy the earth. And God said, This is the sign of the covenant I am making between me and you and every living creature with you, a government for all generations to come. I have set my rainbow in the clouds, and it will be the sign of the covenant between me and the earth. Whatever I bring clouds over the earth and the rainbow appears in the clouds, I will remember my covenant between me and you and all living creatures of every kind. Never again will the waters become a flood to destroy all life. Whenever the rainbow appears in the clouds, I will see it and remember. An everlasting covenant between God and all living creatures of every kind on the earth. So God said to Noah, This is the sign of the covenant I have established between me and all life on the earth.
तपाईले हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ अल्फा ओमेगा मिडिया, कुरा जीवनको यात्रा अनन्तको।